Nasir El-Rufai, the former governor of Kaduna State, has said he regrets supporting President Bola Ahmed Tinubu in the 2023 elections. El-Rufai made this statement during an interview on Arise Television on Monday, 23rd of June 2025. He said he helped bring Tinubu to power and now feels that decision made things worse for Nigeria. "I just feel like I contributed to this country's problems by bringing the evil Tinubu into power," he said. "I should do the last lap by removing Tinubu." El-Rufai added that most Nigerians have lost interest in the ruling party. The All Progressive Congress (APC), it claimed that about 91% of Nigerians now want a different leadership, is now part of a new coalition trying to register a political party called the All Democratic Alliance (ADA). This group includes people from the camps of Atiku Abubakar, Peter Obi, and even some former ministers from Buhari's government. El-Rufai made it clear that the coalition is not about party politics, but about uniting like-minded people to fix the country. He said, "We are all people who care about Nigeria. We want change and we want to work together."
I believe in that very strongly. I believe that the unity... Look, Nigerians are tired of the APC. We know that. We have polled that. There is 91% disapproval of this administration across the country. 91% disapproval. It's the worst in Nigeria's history. But Nigerians are looking for a credible option. Yeah, but they want to see people coming together, putting aside their differences and ambitions, and giving them an alternative to this failure of a government.
But that's the key thing. Can you put aside your personal ambitions?
You've got
yourself, you've got Atiku Abubakar, you've got Peter Obi, you've got Rotimi Amechi, you have so many big political, wigs with huge, ambitions.
Big names does not equate ambitions, okay? You've mentioned my name. I have no ambition, okay? I just feel that having contributed to bringing about this tragedy to Nigeria by contributing to the emergence of Bola Tinubu as president, I should contribute in my last lap, okay? Because I'm 65, I should be retiring. In my last lap, let me
You've got a long way to go.
Let me contribute towards removing this evil that I believe will destroy Nigeria if left unchecked.
Right, but the problem, of course...
He called the current leaders urban bandits and said that the new movement hopes to defeat the ruling All Progressive Congress in the next election. El-Rufai also said that just like Goodluck Jonathan was voted out in 2015, the same thing could happen to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu in 2027. Anyone who thinks Tinubu will win again is not facing reality, they said. His comment came shortly after Tinubu visited Kaduna to open some projects and praised the current governor, Uba Sani, for restoring peace in the area. El-Rufai's strong remarks are seen as a major political move, and his new role in the ADA coalition could reshape the political structure of Nigeria. We'll continue to supply you more trending news updates and exclusive videos. You can as well share your thoughts with us in the comment box section below. Keep watching NaijaNews TV.